Welcome to the world of AWS IAM. Imagine a security guard deciding who gets into a building and where they can go. IAM does that for AWS resources. It's all about keeping things safe and sound, because trust me, you don't want a rogue intern messing with your cloud servers. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. AWS IAM is like giving out VIP passes. Some people get backstage access while others stay in the lobby. It's all about controlling who can do what in AWS. Think of it as the superhero of cloud security, swooping in to make sure no one oversteps their boundaries. Security is like locking your front door. You wouldn't want strangers walking in, right? IAM ensures that only the right people access the right resources. Plus, with industry regulations tightening, IAM keeps businesses out of trouble. Because trust me, explaining a security breach is no fun. Certificates in IAM are like digital passports, ensuring secure connections and proving identities. Without them, your data is like a postcard sent through the mail, readable by anyone. So, unless you enjoy hackers snooping on your messages, SSL/TLS certificates are a must. Ever wondered who's keeping tabs on your SSL/TLS certificates? IAM does that. The metadata tells you vital details like when your certificate will expire, so no nasty surprises. It also tracks the issuing authority, ensuring your certificates stay legit. Plus, metadata helps you manage your AWS security landscape efficiently. Let's face it, tracking certificates manually would be a nightmare. Security is no joke. Unless you forget to rotate your certificates, then it's a horror show. Regular rotation keeps attackers guessing. Strong encryption ensures nobody sneaks a peek at your data. Don't let just anyone access your certificate metadata. Limit permissions wisely, and always monitor certificate usage, because catching unauthorized access early is like spotting a leak before it floods your basement. What's worse than an expired milk carton? An expired SSL/TLS certificate. ListServerCertificates helps you spot certificates that are about to expire before they wreak havoc. You can track certificate usage across AWS services, making compliance checks a breeze. Automating workflows means less manual effort, because who doesn't love when technology does the hard work for us? Time to flex those CLI muscles. The AWS IAM ListServerCertificates command lets you pull up certificate details effortlessly. Want to focus on expiring ones? Just apply filters. If automation is your best friend, scripting makes it even smoother. And before you fire off the command, check those permissions, because nobody likes the dreaded access denied message. Prefer coding over CLI. The AWS SDK's got your back. Whether you're Team Python or Java, the SDK helps you list certificates programmatically. Even better, it integrates seamlessly with security tools, making certificate tracking less painful. And thanks to metadata, you get a crystal clear view of your certificate landscape. Less guesswork, more efficiency. Not sure about something? The IAM User Guide is your trusty manual. It covers best practices and even has step-by-step fixes for those frustrating errors. Whether you're diving into a PI magic or mastering CLI commands, it's all there. And since AWS keeps it fresh, you'll always have the latest security insights. Troubleshooting is an art, and sometimes a test of patience. First, check those IAM permissions. If you're running an outdated SDK or CLI, time for an upgrade. Double-check certificate metadata, because mismatched details can lead to chaos. And when all else fails, AWS support is there, because even tech experts need a helping hand. Managing certificates is like keeping your house in order. Do it regularly or chaos ensues. Frequent audits and rotations keep things safe. Stick to AWS guidelines because they know their stuff. Automate where you can because manual work is so last decade. And never let certificates expire. It's like forgetting to pay your electricity bill. So what's the takeaway? IAM certificates are vital and managing them well keeps your AWS security strong. Stay on top of expiration dates, use automation, and follow best practices to dodge security risks. Whether you prefer CLI commands or SDK magic, leverage them for seamless certificate management. And always look for ways to improve, because security waits for no one. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.